That's a lovely purr, Flossie. Isn't it? Lovely purr. That's why the ancient Egyptians loved you. Your purr's like a hum, the hum of a bee, the sound of creation. That's it, Flossie. Good girl. Yeah, could listen to that all day, Floss. Very soothing. Thank you. Thank you, Flossie. Let's have a look at you. Hello, beautiful girl. Yeah. Thank you, Flossie.